The ones I've just used, if you can remember which ones they were.
These or those? These?
No, them, that's it.
Yeah, one.
Just one.
There you go.
I don't want to spoil myself.
That's nice. Okay, so explain now what you're going to do with...
Right, well, we did a video where I showed you that to put in the wiring, so you put the router, the hole through there, on the side,
through neck, yeah.
In the through part.
Yeah.
So we routed that hole. There is the culmination of said hole. It's there, just about to see it there, and it's through there.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
So you've got that.
Hang on, I'm going to do a graphic.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Through there. Okay, from there.
Yeah.
So there it is, going through to there. Now we can go through there with your long drill. I'm going to just put this up. Now I can use this drill without this clamp, without any
clamping it.
A piece of wood across there to stop denting the wood, because the wood's got to be fine shaped still.
Yeah.
And it's very hard anyway.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
And I'm cutting all this out, a lot of this and that back.
Yeah.
So it's okay. So now we're doing 2 holes going into the same place there.
Makita, eh?
Yeah. So that's going to go now into the control hole. So we're through, and that's big enough for all the wires to go through that hole, including this. The bridge is going here.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just measure just to show you.
What about the other pickup hole?
That's already in there. Going through to this, that will go through there.
Oh, of course, yeah.
That's what I'm just saying. So the front of the bridge will be there.
Yeah.
And we're now going to drill from the behind into this control thing as well. Okay?
Is that for like an earth?
The earth, yeah. This may not be long enough. But this is a good start.
So why do you need to earth the bridge?
You need the strings earthing, otherwise you get hum. You get hum.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm going along the drill bit. I need a longer one.
I'm asking for the viewers.
Okay. Well, you don't want to earth hum. A lot of times, when you get acoustic guitars, you get. This is only slightly longer. With acoustic guitars, they haven't got any earth connections, and most of the time they're okay.
Yeah.
But sometimes just suddenly you get a problem, and I've worked out how to solve that one as well. But that's another story.
Okay.
But anyway, I've got to try and get this. I think I've got a better, longer drill than this. I'm just doing it in baby steps because I don't want to.
What kind of bridge is he having?
Oh, it's a nice bridge. It's pretty much a standard one. I'll get the longer drill bit. The bridge is out of sight at the moment. It's just a standard bridge.
So you've lost it?
No, it's here, but it's amongst all that. I've lost it. No, it's right in front of me there, but I'm doing this and I don't want to lose concentration. I'll get you that in a second. The other thing is, by the way, when you're drilling into hard woods, you can get the drill bits will bend inside the wood, and it sometimes can do that inside.
Oh yeah.
Like when they're drilling for oil, they actually make them bend.
Yeah.
Well, this can happen with your guitar, so that could come out the back. even though there's a real sharp angle. So if you keep clearing the hole, it's come out now, look there, into the pickup hole. See? Can you see? Unfortunately, it's come back right where the screw's going to go. But it's okay, well it'll be a fine wire, so it'll bypass that.
Yeah.
So that's there. I'll get you the bridge now.
Yeah, get the bridge, yeah.
I will. I'll just put these away.
No dancing.
Tidy tools. Bridge.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Bridge will be there. All the screws holes at the back, so that hole doesn't affect anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brass and chrome, eh?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Nice bridge.
Not bad.
Yeah. So that's going there, and so we're slowly getting on with Patrick's guitar now.
What kind of knobs is he going for?
I don't know.
I
I haven't looked in it all his crap he's bought in his box. His pickups are noiseless. His these are
machine
the
heads. Are they noiseless?
machine heads are Gotto, I think.
Are they noiseless?
No, their pickups are noiseless. You've seen them before.
Yeah. What about the knobs?
Knobs, I don't know. I know I've got them white trap buttons in the box.
Have you got
I think the box is knobless.
a knobless box?
Knobless box, yeah.
Well, it's ridiculous.
Knobless.
Hmm.
It's a bad business, I know, but it's knobless.
Right. Okay.
So we'll probably be putting chrome knobs on it. I've got chrome knobs in stock.
I'm sure he'll watch the video very soon, and he'll be round
He's
with
gone
his
to
knobs.
France, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I think he's been deported.
Never mind. Right, Doug. Let's say goodbye from this video.
Okay then.
Adios. Yeah.
So that's another little lesson there, you see.
Yeah. Thank you very
How
much.
not to do things.